Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for watching UB's World. It's me UB and this is my brand new channel. So let me give you some introduction of this channel. So this is completely based on technology, unboxing, reviews and many more which is based on gadgets itself. Let's come to the point. So today I'm here with a brand new product that is Asus ROG Phone 3, which is known as the ultimate gaming smartphone. Yes guys, and I have been using this phone since 7 days, like 1 week, and I have found some of the cons and pros, so I wanted to share this thing with you all. So I am here with the video reviewing the new ROG Phone 3 after 7 days of experience. Here we go. So as you know that Asus Rog 3 has been the most ultimate gaming smartphone. So the Asus has provided us one of the best processor, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus. I think this is the first Android phone with such a great processor. Even it has a support of 5G network connection with advanced 5G One mobile communication capabilities, which is very useful for gaming purpose as well as to use it for any other applications which needs faster and stable network connections. So, one of the most important feature that makes this phone to stand as the best gaming phone is that it has 144Hz refresh rate, which is unbelievable with 1 millisecond response time and makes the usage experience move faster than compared to any other phones. This is because till now no phones are launched with this amazing refresh rate, and even there is information coming that it even has 160Hz refresh rate, but this is not officially confirmed. But soon, if we find this feature in upcoming updates, then we can 110% say that this is one of the fastest phone ever. Even now it is the fastest, but if 160Hz feature will be available, then it is insane. And then comes the monster battery of this phone. That is 6000 milliamp hour battery, which is absolutely amazing. It means that you can play PUBG for 9 hours continuously. But don't do it. It's just an example of how many hours we can use it with this monster battery, because PUBG game acquires more battery life than any other normal applications. For normal use, you can surely use it up to 1.5 days without any issue. Mainly in Asus ROG 3 phone, they provide you 30 watts fast charger which will charge a phone from 1 to 100% within 1.5 hours, which is amazing. The next thing comes is the price range. It comes in two variants. The first one comes in 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM, which costs around 50,000 Indian rupees, and 12GB RAM, 256GB ROM, which costs around 58,000 Indian rupees, where both includes the latest LPDDR RAM and UFS 3.1 ROM. If we compare both variants, they have completely same specifications, but the only thing is changes in the storage. This phone has 6.79-inch Full HD AMOLED display which contains more than 1 billion colors, which makes the video quality and color more attractive. Now comes the main thing that everyone were waiting for, that is the camera quality. And as we know that this is a gaming phone, and we all will be thinking that the camera quality will not be up to the point, but to be very honest, I'm surprised with the work done by Asus company, that they have not left anything that can disappoint us when it comes in camera quality. Yes, it has the Sony IMX686 flagship sensor with a camera quality of 64 megapixel rear camera, 13 megapixel wide camera and 5 megapixel of macro camera, and also it has 24 megapixel front camera. and the most importantly, it can record up to 8K videos, and also it provides a pro mode that will help us to capture videos like a professional photographer and a videographer. which brings up a good experience which is out of the world, because when you find this many things in a single phone, what can we think of getting disadvantages? And the next thing comes is the speaker of this phone, which is front facing speakers with audio optimization specialist direct. The new game FX audio system, which means that while playing games like PUBG, Fortnite or any other games which needs headphones to know where the enemies are, you need not need a headphones in this device, because they have given us such an amazing stereo speakers by which we can easily make out where the enemies are or from which side does the enemies come from. And also this device has 7 magnets inside, which makes the sound quality and loudness much better. Yes guys, this device speakers are damn amazing, because the quality as well as the volume, the loudness of this phone is out of the limit. Yes, this is the amazing thing which I found in this device. So this was some features which is for normal usage, but now comes the exclusive ROG 3 gaming features where you cannot find in any other devices. So let's check it out. Now the main things comes is the first one, which makes this phone the best gaming smartphone ever. That is the Ultrasonic Air Triggers 3, which is exclusively only for ROG 3. Yes, and even you may get in all ROG variants, but Ultrasonic Air Triggers 3 are the one of the best air triggers found in any other devices. This brings up a good gaming experience. This thing makes this phone future gaming device. If we all remember that once upon a time we used to buy triggers for our phone to play PUBG, but in this we find that the triggers already are provided in the phone, which creates the next level of gaming experience, and even it can be used in many other things. And this air triggers upgraded. In this we can see that our air triggers can be divided from 2 to 4, or if you want to divide only one, then you can do it too. And the next thing comes is the motion sensor, which mostly used during gaming. You can set all this thing as per you wish. And trust me guys, the experience, the gameplay with this amazing ultrasonic air triggers are in the next level. Now comes the most highlighting feature of this device, that is XMode. XMode that takes expert's care. XMode helps you to customize your gaming experience as you wish and lets you to customize many system parameters to optimize the performance of the devices. It helps your gaming and your device performance to run much better than before. Even it helps to customize your logo color to whichever you want and whenever you want, so that it looks super cool when the light turns on in the logo section. And even in the XMode section, you can watch the performance of your device, the heatness, the battery life, the CPU section, GPU, whatever you want in single application. This device features Game Genie, which is one of the most important thing you get it on this device. While you are in a game and want to customize some things, you should simply slide from left to right, then opens a Game Genie and you can easily customize some important thing that is mainly needed while you are in a game. You can easily screen record a gameplay whenever you want to do so. You can even block calls and notifications that you won't get disturbed while you are in a game. You can even enable some things like FPS, through which you can know at what FPS your game is running on your connection speed or many others. Even Game Genie has some main features like live streaming directly without any problems, and even you can screen record and speed up your phone whenever you find any lag or any issues with the phone or the game. You can just go to Game Genie and speed up the phone. Asus phone is compatible with many gaming accessories that Asus itself provides us to make our gaming experience much better. And no phones can compete with this one because no phones have provided such amazing things. But the bad news is the Asus have not launched this accessories in India. So soon we will find some of the main important accessories in our upcoming dates. Keeping all difficulties in mind which gamers will face, Asus have been provided us 2 charging slots by which we won't face any problem while we play when the phone is kept for charging. And this time Asus has not provided a 3.5mm headphone jack but has given a separate dongle as every upcoming phones provide. These are some of the features of this ROG gaming phone. So these are the only features but not the pros and cons. But now I'm gonna share the pros and cons of this product. Yes, there are some disadvantages of this thing and even there are good advantages and many more things. Let us show you that. First of all, this phone is much heavier. This is not a handy phone, this is much bigger. So I have Redmi Note 4 which is this one. So just compare this one and this one. This is too big, like it's even heavy. This is due to the 6000 mAh battery. Yes guys, it has 6000 mAh battery which makes this device much more heavier. And this device is not handy. If you all are not fond of using a heavy mobile or a big mobile, I don't recommend you all to buy this thing because it looks good. Yeah, this is damn good, like it brings up a gaming vibe in this, but to be very honest, it's very big phone. Like look at this, it's a very big phone. I recommend to buy another case while buying this phone and screen protector as well, because you won't find any screen protector in any other devices like any other shops, because I don't know what's the reason, but yeah, you have to buy it online. I meant to say is that this device is completely covered with Gorilla Glass 3.6, but if you want an extra tempered glass for this device, you won't find in any normal shops, so you have to buy it on Flipkart itself or any other online sites. So the most important problem which I think most of the users may find whenever you wanna buy this, that is black crush issue. Like this device has an AMOLED display, and in every device which has an AMOLED display may face such problems like having black crush issues. Like it means that whenever you watch any video and if the dark areas comes out, then it gets pixelated, like you won't find any clear objects in it. So it's the big thing that you won't ignore, and it will be cleared by some software updates. Yes, this is due to software updates, and I hope Asus will bring up all things in the correct manner. And even there were some problems like multi-touch issues, and that was cleared by this recently update given by Asus. So I think Asus has been improving this device much better. So let us hope that it brings a good update as well. So yeah, this was some of the advantage review of this beast phone, and I am very happy of buying this phone. Like this phone has not disappointed me in any way, without considering the weight of this thing, because it has 6000 mAh battery. That's it. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you all like the review of this thing, make sure to press the like button, and if you all have any issue based on this product, make sure to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. So I'm gonna come in next video in the coming Saturday or Monday. Until then, goodbye.